Let's do a little more customizing. I've opened up a part so that I'll have access to the right mouse button. Going into the Customize. Alright, so our toolbars are first. We've can choose about showing the tool tips, and then the lock command manager that used to be up here is now down here. We've kind of pointed those out, and then the different icon sizes for our group. Alright, and depending on what add-ins you have, you'll see additional going across each one of these menus can be altered or updated with additional items. If I go to the shortcut bars, we are looking at the Part S key. I switch it over to the assembly, then we'll have the assembly S key. And since these are dynamic and kind of wherever you hit them, you're going to get those different results. And then the sketch. So if there was something I wanted to add to the sketch, I could drag and drop from our list into that group. And then looking at the commands, this is our full list. And under the menus, each of the pull down menus across the top, those are items underneath. I'm going to skip over the keyboard just for a moment, and we go to the mouse gestures. And if you enable the mouse gestures, this is the right mouse button, and as you drag, the little donut shows up with your group of 4. So depending on where you're at, you'll have those available. I've never gotten used to those, so I just disable those. And the customization showing shortcut customization menu customization. No. I thought that was going to give me something. I haven't clicked that one before. All right, what I wanted to get to was the copy list. All right, so this is a list of all of our hotkeys, and so it's copied it to the clipboard. We'll find my Excel, and we'll just open up a blank workbook. And if I Control V, we'll end up with our group. So column B, don't know what that was. Column C, don't know what that was. We have the description, so I'll just delete those 2 out. Double clicking on the top will expand it out. All right, and then depending, file, edit, view. All right, all of the different categories, insert, those are where we're going to see see those items. And then C and D, don't have anything to do with those. And then I like to work with these as tables, and I think we had about 900 when I've done this previously, so we have quite a bit of items that we can work with. So 820. Alright, so I highlight those, and then Control T will switch this to a table. There are no headers, so we don't need to adjust that. And then, no, I don't need to launch ideas. Alright, so what this does is make it easy to sort. So I can sort A to Z. So Command Option Toggle C, Control 1 through 8, select all. In edit and others, so there are some duplicates. But if I wanted to apply a any hotkey, I could identify, first of all, is it available? So things like the filter faces, the filter vertices V and X, and then E for edges. Those are the ones that pop up with the filters across the bottom. So this is where the F5 is to show filters, and F6 will toggle these on and off as you're using them. So if I wanted to create one that I did recently because I was doing a lot of conversions, I wanted to import a the view with edges. So look down through. I don't have very many alts. Alright, so control, 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 shifts. Alright, so there's not a lot of alts, so that might be a good place, aside from the Windows utilizing the alts. That might be a good place to work with. So I would save this file to reference back to. And so if we come down to view, or I search for shaded with edges, then my on the keyboard I can hit Alt and A as available, and then hit enter. It's already decided to command edit repeat last command. Do you want to change the assignment view? I sure didn't see that. So edit. So let's go back to the search, A to Z, and there is Control A. And I still didn't see any alts, so either I missed them or it adjusted it. Alright, so let's try that one more time. Alt A, assignment to view. So always hesitant to change those out. So how about so I'm not sure what change to enter key. Oh, the enter key. All right, so I'm following old habits. So Alt A, Alt A, and then do not hit anything. Let's see if we do the down arrow. Oh, key down. Nope. So let's just hit OK. I always end up doing that. So let's go back to the keyboard. We'll look for the shaded with edges. Alright, and so don't hit anything because it thinks that you're adding it. We just want the Alt and the A, and then OK. Really, at that point, there's not anything that we can really hit that's that we're going to be able to select that. Alright, so that'll let you to modify the views. We've already added some things to the heads-up display to the S keyboard, but those are some things to watch out for when you are assigning hotkeys or want to know what all of the hotkeys are that are available.